Everyone's going to say the response, and they're going to agree, and then we're going to laugh because it's not going to make sense. Ready? What color are aliens?
Green. Yellow. Gray. Purple.
But hold on a second. Everybody, so no, listen. Going to the next step is how we do things. There's a whole other workshop that I do, teaches you how to take a break from your mind. You don't have to give an instant response. But what was everybody's instant response? Green. The whole point of that slide was we're trying to figure out how to get somebody that's in front of us that's going the speed limit. We're trying to get them to speed up. So if you want to get somebody in front of you that's going the speed limit in the left lane, the nerve, to speed up, what do? Blow the horn, tailgate, high beams, okay? Immediate responses. Everyone's got an answer. Awesome. Now, flip it around. You're in the car. Flip it around. Now you're in the car. Somebody cut you off, and now somebody's cruising up behind you, and they flash their brights, honk their horn, and tailgate. What do? Everybody says slow down. 5 seconds ago, you all agreed on 3 behaviors to do to get this person to do it, and if somebody does those to you, you do the opposite. How is that sin? You're all programmed.